Today I'm going to show you how to make these homemade soft pretzels on your Blackstone pizza oven. We're going to start by making our dough. We're going to do this by weighing out about 22 ounces of all-purpose flour. Then I'm going to add about a tablespoon of dry yeast to about a cup and a half of warm water. And I'm going to add to that about a tablespoon of sugar to activate that yeast. Then to my flour, I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of salt. I'm going to give that a good whisk. Then I'm going to throw that in my mixer and pour in my yeast mixture after it has had a chance to sit for about 5 minutes. Then to that, I'm going to add a couple ounces of unsalted butter that is melted. And then I'm going to turn on that mixer and let that come together as a nice dough. Once you see it start to come together and pull away from the bowl, we're going to pull that out and throw it into an oiled bowl, and roll that around in the oil and let it rest for about an hour. In the meantime, I'm going to get an egg wash started. Just break one egg into a bowl and mix that with a little bit of water. After an hour, your dough should have doubled in size. I'm just going to divide that into 8 equal portions. Then I'm going to take each one of those portions and roll it out into like a 24-inch long snake. Then I'm going to twist it into that classic pretzel shape and pinch down the ends to make sure they stay together. Do that with each of your 8 portions. Next, I'm going to get about 10 cups of water boiling on my stove, and I'm going to throw in about 2/3 cup of baking soda. Once that baking soda is dissolved, I'm going to give these pretzels a bath in that baking soda water for about 30 seconds in total, making sure they soak both sides. I'll strain these out and set them to the side on some parchment paper. Once they've all had a bath, I'm going to coat them in that egg wash we made earlier, and then I'm going to add some salt to the top. We're going to throw these in our pizza oven, so if you're using the parchment paper, we're going to go ahead and cut off any excess parchment paper so that it doesn't catch on fire in the oven. And then I'm going to throw these into the pizza oven, parchment paper and all, right in the middle of that pizza stone. You don't need to have it on high heat. In fact, I like to cook it on low heat, and this allows them to bake completely and turn golden brown without burning. All in all, this took about 15 minutes to get to this point. Then I'll take them right out, and then we're ready to go. These are so good, fresh out of the oven, warm, soft, and fluffy. You should give them a try. Let me know if you do. Until next time, thanks for watching.